Bitcoin market is still going up.
That's awesome. Our investment's growing so fast.
Oh wait, after Elon Musk tweets, Bitcoin started to go down.
That's not fair. I'm getting heart attack.
Welcome back, everyone. We are live at Empire Crypto TV. Welcome back. Exciting times ahead. Welcome back, everyone. Yeah. We are back with a bang. We are back with a bang, as usual, guys. Please let's share this live broadcast to everyone. Invite your friends, your family, your associates. Tell them we are live here with so much information, insights, so much reviews about the market. It's happening, guys. The market is still there. It will always be here. Depending on which side you are, but the markets are juicy all the time. Stony, how are you,
Yes, listen, I'm fine, man. Welcome back to the show.
I've always been here, man. What do you mean? What do you mean? Welcome back, man. I'll always be here.
We at the audience have always been here, but you've been missing for a number of days. I think for a week. Maybe it's after a week that you are joining us or so. Yeah,
Nah, man, I was actually out, man. I was sick. I think I had flu or COVID, whatever the reason. But yeah, when I'm back, I'm still strong than ever.
Yeah, no, man, it's all right. Now you are here. Okay, good evening to everyone. Empire Crypto TV. Yeah, we are live.
How's the market? How's the market? What's happening, man? I see.
Wow, the market,
I came back with the markets. I came back with the positive markets. What do you think? Is it me? Is it the magic with me or what?
Maybe it's the magic with you, but in the market, there's no such thing as the magic. But the things that are happening around, these candlesticks are not made out of magic. They are made out of numbers. It is the numbers that count, the numbers that we are relying on to tell us the reflection of things, out there.
So tell me something. By saying that, do you mean the prayer and faith, it doesn't really work on the markets? This is based on the numbers. This is based on the probabilities. Nothing like the prayer, the fasting, the magic, the miracles. Aren't those things working on this market?
On this market, I don't think so. Such things could be relevant. On this market, yes, you can pray for your life, pray for the breath that you are breathing in, and pray for the fact that you are able to wake up every morning. The rest is for you to decide, to implement your prayers into the market. You are just wasting your time because the market will just be the way it is, whether you are doing this or that as an individual or praying. I can tell you right now, there are a lot of people who are praying in Ukraine, but still the war came to their doors. They were praying and praying, but still the war still was bombing their cities. So you have to use your breath, you have to use your mind to get out there and do something with it. And then the rest God has already provided before you even could pray.
Nice one. Welcome back, everyone. We are live via Empire Crypto TV. As usual, guys, we give you the best information, breaking news as they come. Learning about blockchain solutions, cryptocurrencies, NFTs, DeFi, all these projects that are found in the crypto space. We want you to be the best investor, the best trader, the best profitable person that you could ever be, could ever exist in the market. Welcome back. We are live here, and do not forget to subscribe on our YouTube channel. As usual, guys, we always preach that if we are not live here on Facebook and these other channels, we make sure that on YouTube We are live. We've got something going on YouTube, and there's so many videos that you can go onto YouTube and watch. Past videos that can teach you so much, that can educate you so much. So yes, it's all about getting all this information and making use of it for our own benefit. Oh yes, Stone. I
Yes,
see the
yes.
market. Let me just quickly share my screen.
Okay.
All right. Okay, let's start here. We see the market cap 1.9 trillion. The
Yes,
market
almost a 2 bit. Yeah,
look,
market.
that's not look. It's actually breathing. It's alive. Right? Still very much kicking.
Mm,
Want to look into the cryptos as well. 8% for Bitcoin in the past 7 days, and
mm, mm.
16% for Ethereum. It was at
Yes.
2.5, now at
Yeah.
3,000 US dollars. That's
Yeah.
money that has been made. If you bought at 2.5, selling now at 3,000, that's 16% for the
Mm.
past 7 days.
Yes.
And
Yes.
looking at BNB also, it was way down there,
Mm, mm,
9% in the past 7 days. XRP is still alive, it's still kicking, it's still there, it's still performing. 9% in the past 7 days. Terra Luna, okay, at 92 US dollars, just
mm,
shy away from 100 US dollars. Cardano ADA, okay, Cardano 20% for the past 7 days. Solana
mm,
is still in the top 10. And of
mm,
course, Avex is 22% in the last
mm,
7 days. What would you say about the performance of the market? There were times when
mm,
it was scary, man, because
mm,
of this war, because of some other fundamentals in this market.
mm.
We're expecting the worst, but we say the market is still very much positive. Are the bulls back? What do you think? What do you say?
No, what has taken place, Mr. Mapi, is that there's been a financial or monetary tightening across the borders, especially in the United States and also in Europe. And the interest rates hikes as well has also influenced this current uptrend, if I should say, because the banks are on this idea that they are on this hawkish, if I should say, if I can just share this hawkish, like there's this word that they are using, hawkish, hawkish. Okay, it's a very, very intrinsic word that someone should pay attention to because it has a lot of meaning of what is truly happening in the market right now. It is also an idea that has been pushed by Jerome Powell, who is the Federal Reserve chairman in the United States right now. And I can just want to share this term with you. Hawkish, hawks, what does it mean to be hawkish? Hawks vote for tighter monetary policies. So there's been tight monetary policies trying to curb that inflation rate back to its low levels, meaning higher interest rates, as we see last week, Wednesday on the 16th, and which I will go into right now, and with the aim of keeping inflation check. This often comes to the expense of economic growth as higher interest rates discourage borrowing and encourage savings. So this is the type of nature that these Federal Reserve banks or the the stocks, or not the stocks, the European market and the market in the United States, the Federal Reserve Bank particularly. Now, on last week Wednesday, it was on the 16th, if I'm not mistaken, we saw this, if I should say, a very bullish trend. This the candlestick right there. Okay, this candlestick here. It formed because after the announcement of the interest rates hike in the Federal Reserve Bank in the United States, and stocks alongside with Bitcoin took a bullish trend right immediately on. This is a daily chart, so the whole day there's been a bullish trend. Now fast forward to this day, which is today, which is on the 22nd of March. Now we also hearing in Europe that they're going to raise interest rates. How so? There is also articles to support what I'm saying right now to you. Let it reveal the best Europe. This is European based. Banks lift European shares after lackluster start to week. Lackluster means it has been a dull start this week in the European market. So this solution has brought about this idea that they should tighten up they should raise interest rates within the European. Now interest rates were raised last week Wednesday in the United States, which is across the Atlantic Ocean, but now the interest rates now are being raised also now in Europe as well. Now the story goes on to say, okay, European shares rose on Tuesday, boosted by gains in banks on prospect of aggressive interest rate hikes, okay, following a hawkish, now remember that hawkish word, hawkish comments by US Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell. Also, to support this statement, also, this is what's going around the market. Okay, this is the fundamental aspect of the market of what is causing these bullish trends so far. U.S. stock markets opened higher on Tuesday as well, with bank stocks in particular responding well to hawkish. Now the common word used, the hawkish comments from Federal Reserve Chairman Jerome Powell that pointed to a safer pace of monetary tightening in the next couple of months. So this idea that the interest rates have risen last week Wednesday is still going to continue for the rest of the year. The interest rates will be risen up for the rest of the. This is a hawkish year, if I should say. So they are trying to discourage overexpending and encouraging people to start saving. Now people will not rely on the bank's savings as a traditional way. These days people want to invest because they want to see higher returns. With these higher returns, they can be able to cover up their monetary, because it's harder now to borrow money because of these interest rates are hiking up. Things are going to become more expensive. So people are looking to hedge into safer havens like your stock market and particularly the cryptocurrency market. Now, the thing with cryptocurrency market is that it offers a monetary value in a sense that you can spend cryptocurrencies, you can invest on cryptocurrencies, and they have an exponential volatility in the market as we see. So these financial instruments that have gained a percentage in the past few days or so, particularly this week, is caused by these interest rates hikes that are caused by the Federal Reserve Bank. But eventually, what will happen when this momentum ends is that you start to see domestic currencies like your dollar, your euro start gaining momentum as they should. But for now, they are going to a protection level whereby they're trying to curb inflation. Hence, this is what it has caused this bullish trend that we are seeing on the market as well. But before that, other than that, that's a fundamental part, or the fundamental expertise of this explanation of this bullish trend. Also, technically speaking, I am looking at the 1 hour chart, like I said before. There's also these, what you call engulfing candlesticks that you are seeing here, engulfing bullish candlestick. This is the first one that happened on the 15th. No, this is not on the 15th. This is on the 13th to the 14th. And then it happened again for the 15th to the 16th, which was the day when they were announcing the interest rates hikes. And as well, you saw the market going up. And then another engulfing candlestick that is forming currently right now as we speak, which makes the Bitcoin at $42,000 per coin. It also has an engulfing candlestick. Also, there is a possible Elliott wave theory that is so familiarized with in the technical technical aspect of the market or in the technical charts, which is well known by most traders out there. Okay, I just want to show the chart. Okay, where's the chart? Oh, come on. Wow, I can't believe that happened.
What happened? What happened? What's happening?
Okay, there's it. It just went blank because I'm trying to review. Okay, as I was saying, what we are also experiencing is the first stage of the Elliott wave theory, which means the Bitcoin or the cryptocurrency as a whole is still looking forward to be a bullish trend in the coming days to come. That is very interesting, unless something different happens. Now, let us read about the first stage, what we see here on the first stage of the market. Wave one, they call it. Okay, we are on that wave one right there. The stock or the cryptocurrency makes its initial move upwards. This usually caused by a relatively small number of people that all of a sudden, for a variety of reasons, real or imagined, feel the price of the cryptocurrency or stock or whatever instrument that you are trading on is cheap. So it's a perfect time to buy. This causes the price to rise, of course. But there are many reasons, imagined or known reasons that why the instruments start to push high. That's why we're seeing this. This is just the first stage that I'm seeing. Okay, the line that I have extended, maybe it will extend in a few days to come. That's just but the first stage that we are focusing is this one, where the initial push has taken place. Not only cryptocurrencies or BTC are experiencing this major push as well. Also the euro, after they have taken steps on monetary policy tightening over there, raising interest rates as well. It also has seen the euro itself thriving against the US dollar right now. I just want to see the chart revealing down the data right there. Let me just see the chart. Ooh.
All right, yes, we are live via Temper Crypto TV, and guys, let's engage on the comment section. Do ask some questions if you've got some inquiries, some questions. Do say something on the comment section. If you want us to take a certain topic in the future, you are more than welcome to say so in the comment section. Yeah.
Meaning that people should also take requests as well. Okay, no, it's a bit slow. I don't know why it's so slow to reveal this information. Just want to show you the chart for the euro thriving against the US dollar right now. Okay, there is it. Okay, this is also a daily chart. Usually the euro was losing strength most of the time, but now it has gained strength. This is Tuesday candlestick that you are seeing right now. So this news has brought about this power candlestick that is bullish right now. Also, I was looking at some of the stock markets, stocks that have gained momentum in the days that in today regarding this whole idea. Also, I was looking at Apple. I think yes, the Apple stock. Okay, let me just go to the Apple stock. I saw a very bullish trend as well that has formed on the Apple stock as well. Okay, this chart be a bit slow. Okay, there's it right there. Can you see that aggressive bullishness of a stock? Now, we also have seen in the past that the BTC and the stock market are moving in a hurdle, or they are moving in a correlation, in a positive correlation. The cryptocurrency going up, and also the stock market has been going. So much of the investment fell on the Apple stocks, and Apple is one of the biggest stocks in the world, well recognized. Hence, that's why I picked it up. And also the engulfing candlestick also occurring a few days back, but although it was a long time ago, but this engulfing candlestick, it shows you that this pattern, how powerful it is. Imagine if someone would have noticed this engulfing pattern, and then they have placed their buy orders immediately, they would have gained a lots of amount of money right there. Also with the BTC, I did advise about the engulfing candlestick that occurred, I think about 3 days back. right there. There's an engulfing candlestick that happened on the 14th of March, which was last week. And then this would have caused people to have gained lots of money at that time. So you can see that positive correlation between the BTC market or the cryptocurrency market and in relation with the stock market as well. What do you take on that, Mr. Crypto King?
Well, look, it's very positive across the markets, and yeah, look, fundamentally, there is also some positive that are coming out. So, and of course, it's going, it's March and April. Those
Yeah,
historically, these are the best month for the crypto. Remember what happened in 2020 and also in 2021. Yeah, if we
yeah,
look at 2021, during these times, we were at the peak of the market. It was the market was the bull market was at its peak, you know. So we expect the cycles to come back again, you know, to repeat itself. So yeah, let's see what can what's is in store for us.
yeah. But of course, there's more to crypto than just the BTC. In the world of NFTs, man, there's been some clashes regarding the most famous project in the NFT space, the Bored Ape Yacht, I should say, or the Bored Apes NFT spin-off. Okay, came up within the project itself. There's already conflict, legal conflict as well. The story came out. Caked Apes, which is part of the Body Yacht Ape, Caked Apes, a Body Ape NFT spin-off venture sparks sorry, a legal battle over copyrights now. This is internal battle right now. Okay, these are the well-known NFTs that people are so familiarized with them. So it's a growing network. So as this grows, more and more money is coming into the company or into the projects. And when money starts to roll into the project, now people are starting to fight amongst themselves. Money can be a big issue, like in anything in life, no matter what, man. Money is an issue, and here he is one of them. And I think it's a bad thing because these guys have got something very good going, but all of a sudden there's internal issues happening within the project itself. Okay, since its launch in April 2021, Board APH Club BAYC has been on an upward trajectory, becoming one of the most popular NFT collections. The popularity of BAYC led to the launch of a spin-off collection, Caked Apes. Now we do know that there is also Bored Apes, right? Now there's also what you call
Mm-mm.
Cake Apes, okay? NFTs and stuff created by various artists. Okay, Cake Apes is a collection of 8,888 unique and randomly generated NFTs created by artists Cake Naked. So he named Cake Apes after his name. So it's not a cake, but it's just the name of the artist. Okay, Cake Nygaard and Tyler Whiteley. Okay, the collection, which was only launched in January, faces its first legal battle. Now, this is because of money. Okay, trouble in ape land, a legal battle between artists ensues. Okay, the creators of Caked Apes have sued themselves over the designs of the caricatures and revenue shares. Wow. Okay, according to reports, Tyler Whiteley has filed a lawsuit in Los Angeles federal courts against the members of the Cake Ape team. So this is his own team that is filing a lawsuit against. This is the company that he's working for. He's filing a lawsuit against the company that he's working for currently, claiming that they infringed on copyrights of the digital designs and kicked him out of the project. So he's an artist that assumingly created some of these Cake Apes, and all of a sudden he has been kicked out of the project. Okay, in response to Whiteley's suit, Cake Nygaard and three other members that are being sued of the Caked Ape team filed a suit against Whiteley. Now, Whiteley filed a lawsuit first. Now they are filing a lawsuit against Whiteley. So this is a very serious thing. This is a very deep thing that is happening between these people that are in this project. They allege that Whiteley is trying to claim possession of their collaborative venture. So Mr. Whiteley maybe is an artist that died in this cake. Okay, they also claim Whiteley contributed no original drawings, okay, to the Caked Apes creations. In addition, the Caked Apes team is accusing Whiteley of using the federal copyright law to have the collection removed from internet marketplaces improperly. On the flip side, okay, so it's a major battle that we are seeing right now. Despite the legal battle, the Bored Apes Yacht Club DJ duo just got signed by WME for all future engagement. Why should you care? Okay, according to the filings, 9,000 Caked Apes NFTs have been sold since it launched. It also reports $1.9 million in direct sales and $225,000 in secondary sales royalties. Wow, that's a grand rising. But even though there's been these legal battles that are happening, I'm also looking at the Caked Apes on the chart as well. Today, Caked Apes has risen from $10 to $11 per coin, per ape coin, as you can see there on the chart. Revealed to you right there. Okay, just reason. Also, this bullish market has also affected these smaller projects like the ape coin, which has started recently, a few days back. This is the daily chart. Each candlestick represents a day, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days ago. On its fifth day, saying it's a bullish trend going to 11.5. But do you think will this conflict have an impact on the market itself, on the investment particularly, or will it just be a thing that is internally a project, a problem within members or other members of the APH club?
Yeah, look, where there is money, I learned that early in life that where there is money, there's always blood. I mean, there's always fighting. That's why you see countries like Russia fighting with Ukraine. There's some sort of control, power, and greed. This is what happens where in the financial world, in the money world, in the economic world, money itself is got that thing where it produces greedy people, greedy nations. So yeah, look, we're looking at this also scenario. It's most likely that this fighting, obvious, is gonna take it to somewhere. So it's not really healthy. Look, I always think the crypto market is decentralized. There's enough for everyone. There is so much to be done. The cake is too big in this market, so let's just not fight. Let's just expand our interests. There's so much that can be done. There's so many solutions that we need to come up with.
Yeah, no problem. Yeah, the project. I won't lie. It's a prominent project. Looking at the chart right now, once they kicked off, most of the projects that are coming in the crypto space, they find it hard to make that big of an impact, especially if it's NFTs. Now, there are news that are coming out that NFTs are more supported than oil, gold investments as of late. So NFTs are the latest, hottest brand. So these guys, what they are doing is quite powerful. But now to have that internal struggle can also mean a depletion of a great project that has been put in place for quite some time or for some while. I see there's some comments that you'd like to read them, Mr. Crypto King.
All right, let me just go through them. I see there is okay. All right, there is MSA says hi. I've subscribed. I'm a loyal Kryptonian. Whatever I want, good vibes, great stuff, MSA. And I've noticed that you've we've been watching, especially the previous videos, the previous shows that we had in the past. Great stuff. Welcome, well done, and definitely you are on the right course, on the right path. You likely to make money one of these
Yeah.
days. It's a great choice. Welcome
Yeah.
home. Welcome to the family.
Man, now can you understand what MSA is saying? He say, "Hi, I have subscribed." Now remember, one of our logos says "subscribe and win." Then he goes on to say, "What have I won?" You see, so he's taking that from "subscribe and win," and then he says, "What have I won?" Good vibes. Is he saying that he won good vibes, or or is
Oh
he
yeah, look,
asking?
he's standing a chance, a good chance to win. We gonna, especially next week, we're gonna be bringing more goodies, more cryptos, more coins to be won on this platform, so people can actually subscribe. We only gonna be competing those who have subscribed are the ones who will be winning. So next week we'll be bringing more coins. It's
Yeah,
fire next week. It's happening next week. So we're gonna be having a lot of stuff to be won here on the platform. So people must start subscribing on YouTube channel if they want to win. You might even win yourself a very lucrative portfolio. Crypto portfolio. So yeah, look, is it's happening. Empire Crypto TV. We're all about empowering everyone, powering our traders, our listeners, our subscribers. So yeah, let's make it happen. It goes on to say your crypto knowledge is always appreciated, especially to all beginning in crypto. Thank you so much, MSA. We appreciate such a contribution, positive vibe indeed. All right, great stuff. What do we have? What else do we have? Stone, is there anything that we need to share with our people today?
that for today on my side was the most relevant things that I've said. I've said them all, man. That's all I could ever say for today. I don't know if you might have maybe wanted to add more to what we have already presented thus far.
He goes on to say, could you perhaps have a discussion on the different platforms to trade on in South Africa and the advantages and disadvantages AI
Of
trading, which is
trading.
artificial intelligence trading, which is the robots, I believe. Definitely, we're gonna cover this in the next coming days. Keep checking, keep here. Obvious people who are our our viewers, they're always with us here every day. We are live at 7 p.m every day without any failure. So yes, we're gonna bring these topics, the platforms to use in South Africa and abroad, local platforms, local exchanges, and of course our international exchanges, and of course robot trading. That's I believe is what you are inquiring, which is the best trading tool. So we'll be talking about it here in the next coming days. All right, and then we go. We've got Junior White says hello. Hello, Junior White. Thank you for coming through. Please do not forget to subscribe on our YouTube channel. Go over onto YouTube and find Empire Crypto TV, Empire Crypto TV, and subscribe. Subscription is free. You just go there and say I've subscribed. It helps you to keep track of what we're doing, to become family. Whenever we've got some goodies, we've got some coins to give away, you're one of the first people to get those coins, airdrops. So you get those coins for free from this platform, from this channel. And of course, you can watch some previous videos that we uploaded on the platform and learn. The main purpose of this show is to make everyone understand how the blockchain system work, how the cryptocurrencies, NFTs, DeFi. There's so much, guys. There are many ways to make money on this market. So let's make use of these opportunities. Welcome home. Thank you, guys. Let's meet again tomorrow. Let's discuss, have a different topic tomorrow. and let's take it further. Keep well. Good night.